Happy New Year, I Vixen. Dimitri looks completely lost over there. He's looking for something. And I'm not ready to start a new year. I got a 2010 BMW X5. That the right front wheel, it sounds like the wheel's gonna come off when you're going over bumps. It's rattling and clanging and bumping and clacking really good, really loud over bumps. It actually needs a few things, but I'll show you what one main thing to look for when you hear a loud, scary rattling noise. This sucker here with the coil spring. That thing in the middle is your strut or shock, and up there at the top you see that big hole. It's got a bunch of room for the top of the shock to rattle around as it hits bumps. That's pretty much freaking destroyed up there. So that's going to be what our noise is. The upper control arms we did not, I don't know, too long ago, but this person can't afford to change everything at once. And I think, see how this side has that yellow cushion? We replaced this one a couple of years back, I think, solving the same issue on the driver's side. Now we need to do it on the passenger side. So obviously we would prefer to do both struts, coil assembly, strut mounts, and all that at the same time. Another thing that goes bad on these, is this tension strut here. So when you hit the brake pedal and you're holding the steering wheel, as soon as you hit it, it does one quick jerk. That's it. Just you hit the brake and it's like jerk. All right, and that's these guys shifting the load of the vehicle forward or backwards. And in this case, forward. And that is the tension strut. So if you're driving and you're doing 50 and you give a good tap on the brake pedal and you feel one jerk, not a constant shaking, that would be rotors or hubs or something, but just one quick jerk, that's going to be these tension struts or control arms. But in this case, what we're dealing with today is a rattling noise on the right front. It's really loud. So we got to pull that strut out, separate it from this wishbone, which means separating the upper control arm and the brakes and possibly the axle, most likely, to get enough room to get it all apart. I don't know if I have to take the whole spindle off. I forget. I hope not, but we'll see. But that's what that is. And it's really loud. It's really scary, and needs to be replaced. 2010, whatever generation, is that same body style of Beamers. You got a hard rattling noise when you're going over bumps. Look at the top of that strut with a flashlight, and you'll see a nice elongated hole where the steel shaft can move around and bang against where it's mounted, and that's probably going to be your issue. So 2025, Happy New Year, guys. Let's do our tour.